How many of you ready for a game? Say aye. Kai vidama not ponna. Go, 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 go. Five, four, very nice. 3, 2, 1. Please, please, please. Welcome to the program. It's called a Sales Explosion. Thank you for being here. என்னோட பேர் டாக்டர் சச்சின். ரொம்ப ஃபார்மலா இருக்கு. You guys call me a Sachin coach. இதெல்லாம் key takeaways என்ன இருக்குன்னா, learn the secrets of leadership, how to communicate positively, how to win and lead as a team. Think smart. First is listen. Second one is acknowledge. Yes sir, ஆமா. I understand sir. இது நடந்திருக்கு. Okay. Third is solve. Let me see how I can solve it. Next is thanks. I'm a CDO. I delight my customers. Energy. I delight my customer. My customer love me. My customers are my God. I delight my customers. I delight my customer. I'm a CDO. I'm the best CDO. I'm a powerful CDO. I'm an amazing CDO. I am a CDO. CDO is Customer Delight Officer.
Personally, I'm really delighted of VP's program.